कितनी प्यारी भरी बात है ना कि हर एक चीज़ जो आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में करते हो, सुबह हो, शाम हो या फिर सोते वक्त, अगर थोड़ा सा अवेयरनेस हो जाए तो हर एक चीज़ योगिक पोस्चर, योगिक आसन्स हो जाए, जो मुझे सिखाया जा रहा है बड़े प्यार से इतने सारे एपिसोड्स में बाय वन एंड ओनली नम्रता, फाउंडर ऑफ अस्तित्व, वर्ल्ड ऑफ योगा, which is definitely doing so many beautiful things. इतने सारे लोगों को आप अपनी पॉजिटिविटी से योगा सिखाते आ रहे हो, चाहे बात आए from Goa to all the places of India and now through Fever FM official YT handle, we are reaching out to so many people. Thank you once again for being a part of this.
Thank you so much, Nikki, for having me.
तो Fever Fit, I was just having a discussion, मतलब कैमरा रोलिंग नहीं चल रहा था, मैं इनसे यही पूछ रही थी कि जब हम चलते भी हैं, चलो शुरू करते हैं, जब हम चलते भी हैं तो इज देयर एनी प्रॉपर पोस्चर दैट पीपल शुड हैव दैट अवेयरनेस कि यार वॉक ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए या ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, इज देयर एनी राइट वे टू इवन वॉक?
बिल्कुल निकी, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि हमारी एक एक जो एक्टिविटी है, हाउ वी डू इट, हाउ वी स्टैंड, व्हाट इज आवर बॉडी अलाइनमेंट, हम अपना सिर कैसे रखते हैं, अपना बैक कैसे होल्ड करते हैं. यू विल फाइंड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ अस, फॉर इंस्टेंस, sometimes tend to tilt either towards the left or to the right. We also tend to stand in a way in which we are not equally putting our weight on both our legs.
True.
And बहुत बार अब आजकल तो you will find that slowly people who are even into fitness sometimes tend to bend their back. It could be for many reasons. It could be because you're tired. It could be because of lack of awareness. It could also be because some people are lifting very heavy weights. And when they come back, they don't give enough importance to their body alignment. Yoga mein, the starting point is to first build an awareness of your entire self.
True.
Starting physically, and then of course what is happening inside you. So that's how it goes.
Amazing.
Every activity of yours can become yogic if you just take your mind and your awareness into it.
तो अब मैं यहाँ से जो यहाँ चलने वाली हूँ with awareness, I'm going to walk with the stance, which is so important.
And you're
और ये
looking
छोटी
amazing
छोटी
because
चीजें
you have awareness. So
exactly, it's just it's giving my mind that direction now. So I think ये direction अगर आपको हमारे साथ नम्रता देती रहे तो I think life is more beautiful and suitable for you and for me. पर आज अभी इस एपिसोड में हम ना what एक सवाल आता है, हेड स्टैंड करेंगे, but a lot of people are also scared of it कि योगा करना चाहते हैं, हम सीखना चाहते हैं, पर ऐसे बहुत सारे आसन्स हैं जो ज़रा लोगों को डर भी लगता है करने के लिए. So should people fear is my first question.
so it's very natural to fear.
Okay.
And there are ways of always overcoming fear.
Yes.
Of any kind.
True.
And the first thing one has to learn in life is that you have to learn how to fall. You have to learn how to fall, not only physically, but otherwise also. It's something that we face in our life all the time.
Beautiful.
Whenever you fall, there is some amount of pain you deal with, which you can learn technically how to manage. Physically, the first thing I teach people, Nikki, when I'm teaching them inverse postures, and especially things where you're putting your head down and you need to balance, is first to learn how to fall. Because there are ways in which you can fall, which can minimize any kind of pain that you may go through, and slowly that makes you feel much more comfortable with inversing yourself. What you don't realize normally is कि जब हम चल रहे हैं तो हम खाली we have only two legs.
Yes.
But when you do a headstand, you actually are on a tripod. So you are much more stable on a headstand than on both your legs.
Never thought like that, but
Correct.
True.
So once people become familiar with it and understand it, then headstand is just a matter of a few weeks of practice.
But how long does it take to make to get used to it? Like how much effort should person give into it? हर दिन करना चाहिए या फिर महीने लग जाते हैं for a perfect headstand?
जो भी तुम्हें अच्छे से करना है जिंदगी में, उसको तुम्हें बार बार करना चाहिए और रेगुलरली करना चाहिए. मगर one of the important things is कि बहुत ज़्यादा seriousness भी अगर लाओ तो that sometimes acts as a disadvantage. So relax, enjoy, but try and do your practice on a daily basis.
क्या बात है. तो अभी यही प्रैक्टिस हम अभी करने वाले हैं और आप इसी वीडियो को, इसी एपिसोड को, आई एम सो श्योर बार बार देखेंगे, पॉज भी कीजिए, रिवाइंड भी कीजिए, कीप वॉचिंग इट। तो लेट्स डू इट।
Done.
लेट्स गो फॉर इट।
तो आजकल take the left hand towards your left and up. हेल्थ के लिए शायद अनपैरेलल्ड है, उसको हम लोग शोल्डर स्टैंड बोलते हैं। और लोग शोल्डर स्टैंड से थोड़ा डरते हैं बिकॉज उसमें बैलेंस रखना पड़ता है। सो इनिशियली जब आप शुरू करें, स्टार्ट सिंपल, लाई ऑन द फ्लोर, प्लेस योर हैंड्स ऑन योर साइड्स और धीरे से अपने लेग्स को ऊपर कर दिया। ये भी वर्क्स टू push all the blood towards your brain and is very good for you. धीरे धीरे as you become comfortable, you can put falling. And for that, you have to go slow. Don't try to attempt Shirshasana very quickly. So I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step how this is done. If you are a beginner, first just learn how to sit in Vajrasana with your back straight, your shoulders square. The next step is that you have to move has made a triangle. आपने एक triangle अपने सामने बना लिया है. For the first month, all you have to do is raise your hips up, place your head on the floor. जब आप ये करेंगे आपको लगेगा अरे इतना वेट आ रहा है हमारे सिर पे. Breathe and come back to your original position. पहले महीने के लिए इसके अलावा और कुछ मत करिएगा.
Namrata.